Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update. Initially, the file was working properly as per the given requirement, but now the some requirements have been changed. So I'm here with the update. Okay, so initially the file was working within the main folder, and it was taking the files from that folder. But now the client is asking for folder subfolders and the subfolders of those as well. So if the file is in some folder within the folder of the main folder, just find that file and process it. And the second thing is that I think the client was trying to enter 84 days, but the method available here for the previous days was only for that particular month, not for the last backlog of 3 months or 6 months. But now, as the requirement have changed, so one of my friend asked me to modify it. So yeah, here it is. So the change here is that now you are not going to enter the number of days from where you want to start back days. Now you just need to double click on this cell and select the date, whatever the date you would like to select. Like I'll select it from January 1st, 2023. I think that is more easily understandable and easy to log as well. So now this will process the date from the. I have already tested this, that it will find each and every date file in all the main and subfolders of the main folder starting from January 1st. Let me clear everything in here so that I can get started again. Let me show you there are how many entries. And I think there are, okay, let's delete everything and start fresh. You might need to do it. Yep. Okay, I'll clear this one manually because I don't want this part to be automated. So if someone intentionally deletes everything, the file will get processed again and you might need to do the whole thing again. So the only change here is that you don't need to enter the number of days in here. Just double click and select the date. Let me start processing and then I'll get back to you. The rest of the functionalities are working fine. And yes, if you will not select any of the date in here, for example, obviously this is going to take or more than 1 or 2 minutes to process each and every file. So what it will do, it will take first date, create the file name, it will find the folder and subfolders for that file. If file is found, it will process, and it will the code will go in each and every row of that to find the criteria for the bottom 6 criteria which we have already processed. So the rest of the functionality is exactly the same. Only the change here is in this cell E1 where you need to select the date. But yes, obviously you don't want to reprocess each and everything from January 1st every time you are doing it. What you need to do is just delete this so that it will process only for that particular day. But if you want to process for last 4 days, just double click on the cell. I'm not making any change because it's already processing. Double click on the cell and select any of the date you want to process. Like for example, if today is 26th of March, you just select maybe 5 or 6 days back. So it will find out the files. It won't process all of the 6 back days because it will find, okay, the file has already been processed for that particular name. So it will only process the file which is not in is being already processed in this list. So this is complete. Yep, the processing has been complete, and now the data will be posted in each and every file. Let's wait for that, and let the file get updated. So either you can delete this for everyday processing because that automation is already in there, that the processing will be done every day by itself. So you don't need to enter any date in here. But if you want to process any previous days, just double click on and select the date. Let me show you. So there are 1569 entries on this one row, this all table, and let me show you here. So it's starting from 3rd of March all the way to 23rd of March, which is the last file available. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.